Good morning, goodies. Welcome back to another vlog. If this is your first time here and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe, y'all, and turn the post notification on. Oh, it's so beautiful outside. Oh, not drop. But it's a beautiful day. It's not a beautiful day, but it's cool. It's cold outside. Cold here in Atlanta. Girl, skin kind of glowing. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here and you have not yet subscribed, please do go ahead and subscribe and hit the post notifications so that way you will know when I upload brand new contents, okay? For all my returning goodies, and I don't know, say, on a girl, I love her to the max. As you can see from the title, y'all, damn, God's skin still glow, look there. No mind this is one my love bump they come up a day, yeah. But it a go right now, it a fade away. But overall, girl's skin a glow, good. But anyway, as you can see from the title, I am going to Jamaica. Let's just say this trip, y'all, is not a fun one. This is bittersweet. For some of y'all that didn't know, I did go to Jamaica a couple of weeks ago. This is in January. I went in December. So just let's say this trip here is not a fun one. I'm going for a funeral. I lost someone really close. Very close, but I don't want to get into who, when, and why, and how. But we can. But what I can say though is that cancer is a bitch. Butch. Let's say butch. Yeah, cancer is a bitch. So anywho, I'm going down. I have to go back down again. For the full support. I don't want to get tonight at 100%. Kind of don't know. Some people that my thing when supposed to that my thing at fast. But yeah, I have to go back down to Jamaica. So today I'm getting my hair washed. I already washed my hair and stuff. Yeah, hair wash, have my conditioner in. I already start packing my stuff right here. So I'm not carry a lot of stuff because I'm only staying 3 days. So I just have sufficient in here just to hold me over. I'm going to bring this little bag with me. I did not get it there, you know, but thank God I never get it because now I'm going to take it down. So I'm going to be using this during the day. Have some stuff in here. My shoes that I'm going to be wearing to the funeral. My slippers and them something there. So this is my shoes. I'm just going to wear this one right here. My dress is already packed in the suitcase, in the bottom of the suitcase. And I'm just going to wear the little flats during the day, along with another one. Just put it there. Let me see if I can find it. I don't know. Somewhere. Right there. Right there, so. Oh, yes. I'm going to be wearing this one as well. So I'm going to carry 2 little flat slippers. And then I have my accessories right here that I'm going to be wearing. Something to give it right there. So I'm going to put some little more things in here like things in my belly, because I have bad belly. I'm a perfume and liquid stuff. I'm going to put in, so I'm not done packing this little bag here. So yeah, that will go in there. So I'm look a nightie, I'm gonna look clothes right here. So I'm look a cushionments that I'm gonna put in the suitcase, but it's going to be a very light one this time. As far as my closet is concerned, I did go ahead and declutter the last time. I think I already showed y'all that I did declutter my closet, got rid of a lot of things, took them to Goodwill, and yesterday I go back again and take out some other more things that I have did to get rid of over here. So light up, but I did go through it thoroughly and throw out some more stuff, took those to Goodwill as well. And this is what I will be wearing to Jamaica, right? So it's like a little African type of outfit, not African, Indian outfit. And then I'll be wearing this little jacket here. So yeah, very, very simple. And then as far as my wig is concerned, I'm going to wear this one right here. I already take up my makeup. Like I said, I only use a little bit of makeup just because to fix up my eye and so for the funeral. But I'm not going to be going all the way in. But this is a wig that I bought yesterday. Very nice. I'm not seeing it. I'm not going to see it until I put it on. But believe me, this wig is a synthetic wig. Synthetic and human mix. And I think I paid $59 for this wig. Right? But yeah. And while I was packing away my stuff, I did find some other more things that I wanted to give away. So I don't want to make my suitcase heavy, because last time I did pay like a couple of dollars because I did overloaded. But I do have some things, some clothes that I didn't want to just give to Goodwill. I wanted to give it to somebody that needs it in Jamaica, so I'm going to take this down. Fine, so we'll put that in the suitcase, so that's supposed to go as well. And I think that's about it. Anywho, I have to clean up all of this mess. Now this office, my office is a mess as usual. Future be sleeping over there, y'all don't know that already, so I have to go clean up that. It's very bleaky outside for sure, as you could see, but I saw it go. We're supposed to have some kind of snow or something, but now when we get done with that, because I want to go to my daughter's house, leave from my daughter's house and go to the airport, because my daughter do live closer to the airport than I do. So I'll go ahead, washing my hair, finish up with that, and then do one load of laundry. Started yesterday, and when I'm done with laundry, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some other little bit more things that I need to do, not a whole lot, because I'm not trying to get burnt out. Put on my wig on my head, and then I want to run, go out the street, pick up some little last minute things, not a lot because I'm not planning on spending a whole lot of money. I already did my last trip. And so clean up my office, because my office is a mess too. Always a mess. I think I'm going to take this bag though, the pocketbook camera. Well, this is the bag I want to take. I've been showing you this the last time too, that I did vlog my trip, but I'm going to take this bag because I'm going to incorporate what you call it, gold and black. So this bag will be perfect, and then I'm going to use it while I'm there too. Well, maybe not. Maybe just use it for go down, and then wear it for the funeral and come back. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that bag. Yeah, it's a very nice bag. But anyway, after I get done doing all of that, I'm going to go ahead and go to the doctor because I need to get my medication. I don't want to go to Jamaica. I'm going to have no medication, so I'm going to make sure I'm going to go and take care of it. I got the doctors today, so get my little heart checked out and all them things there. Make sure that my blood pressure is right, make sure everything is right. So I'm going to go to the doctor today, and then come back and do some more last minute things again. So anyway, I have a couple of things to get done today and into tomorrow and for my trip. So most for the back. Alright, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will. Listen, I'm going for a funeral, y'all. And for those of you that kind of complain about my vlogging the last time, y'all, I'm not a vlogger, I'm a chef, okay? Me's not a vlogger, me's a chef. And I only choose to share what I want people to see. I say what I say only when I want to hear what I say. If I feel like I don't want to hear from me, I say some things I have to keep private. I'll put music over that or just mute it all out. So don't look out for perfect titles. Don't look out for perfect vlogging. Don't look out for anything I fly over airport, over the places what me I stay, because I'm not a vlogger. I am a chef. I'm a cook. I love decorate house and something. So don't waste the time I come for me and talk about perfect titling. Don't waste the time I come for me and talk about perfect editing. Don't waste the time I talk about music I playing in the background. Don't waste the time for you say I can't hear me because I choose to edit it and upload it that way. Again, please note, disclosure, I am not I am not a vlogger. I am a chef, and I am Juliana, okay? So I'm going to share what I want to share as far as my trip is concerned with, yeah, it is what it is, okay? And everything people need to share upon YouTube because it will turn against you, alright? Me share my want to share, so don't stop come. Listen, want to just enjoy the Jamaica vlogs, alright? Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and most soon the next clip. I got the doctor office from here, so. Doctor, and I'm all checked in, registered, everything. Did my blood pressure, did my pulse, my temperature, and all that other good stuff. I'm gonna wait. I already do that. My blood pressure is good. My pulse is good. My temperature is in normal range. I'm okay there. But I'll go ahead and get a full routine checkup before I go to Jamaica. I wanted to make sure that I'm 100% healthy before I fly, because as y'all know that COVID has risen from the dead, as if it was, but it's on the rise. I just want to make sure that I'm 100% healthy before I leave on a visit. So I'm getting my body checked up and everything. I feel good. Just a little bit tired sometimes, but I know that it's because of overwork and going to bed late. But overall, my blood pressure, everything is right. I'm gonna get some blood work done. I'm gonna check my thyroid level to see where that is, and I'm going to do my cholesterol. And I think that's about it. Yeah. So I'm gonna have 2 blood works done. Make sure them check my heart thoroughly and all of that stuff. But when I'm done with here, then I will come back. Can't talk too loud, but check out the chest area and them something like. I want to make sure everything is working how it's supposed to before I get on the flight. So I'll come back to you guys later, okay? Your girl is home. And let's just say after I got home, I went ahead and finished packing my suitcase, throwing my little extra knickknacks in it, and did my hair, of course. So I went ahead and did my hair. My hair look fairly decent, you know what I'm saying? So this is what my hair look like. Nothing, you know, nothing over the top or nothing, but I did go ahead and put this little wig on, make sure that it's nice and secure and stuff. So yeah, so at least my hair is out the way. And did my brows. I'm gonna go put some lashes on, but that's about it. No makeup, just some lashes. And so I did eat something. I didn't cook, but I did eat something, not too much, because when I travel, me can't eat too much because I have bad belly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just have like 2 more things I'm gonna have to do. I have some things in the laundry. I'm just gonna go ahead and take those out, fold them up and put them away. I do think I have something else I need to take out of the dryer too and bring with me. And yeah, that's about it. So I think I'm going to end this vlog here. The next time you probably see me is when I'm at my daughter's house, maybe, because it's too late for vlog. Because I'm going to go to my daughter's house and leave from there because she lives closer to the airport. So I'm going to do that. Girl face are glowing. No makeup good in. But anyway, girl face are glow. Girl face a glow goodie. No sir. But anyway, I leave from my daughter's house because I live too far from the airport. And we have an early morning flight out in the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm not going to be vlogging while I'm driving because it's going to be late. I'm going to her house maybe about 12 o'clock midnight. And our flight, like I said, is early morning. So I have to be there like hella early to check in. So this is my last meal. After I eat whatever, that's my last meal. I can't eat anything after that. No tea, nothing. Maybe one ginger ale or something like that to second the bad belly. But yeah. So maybe you assume you may see me again in the airport when I get ready for like fly out, left out. So yeah, Jamaica it is. I am gonna try to vlog somewhat, even though this trip is kind of a bittersweet type of a trip. It is bittersweet, but I'm going to do a little bit of vlogging. Okay. Yeah, that's about it, y'all. Let me go finish up what I'm doing here. Get my ass in the truck. I'm going to take a shower. Probably shower my daughter's house. But nevertheless, we're going to see me in the next one, alright? Make sure to send a thumbs up the videos and like and share. I'm not going to put the cooking video up right now. The one that you seen last, which was the clam, the curry clam, that one will be the last one for now. I'm not going to be cooking while I'm in Jamaica. I'm just going to be eating out, really. So I'm not definitely going to be doing that. Yeah, no cooking for me for another couple of days until I get home. Then I'll take my ass back into the kitchen. But until then, y'all, soon on the next vlog, alright? Bye.